Hi, hello friends, welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to earn $1,000 per day using AI. So, there are a lot of AI tools. So, I will tell you about some of the AI related tools. So, number one, my AI tool is ChatGPT. So, ChatGPT is an open and virtual assistant developed by OpenAI. So, let's we see to our computer screen. So I will go to Google Chrome over here. Then I will type here ChatGPT. You see here, this is my first website http chat.open.com. So I will click on this website. Then you see here our chatbot get open over here. Okay. So then I will type here, write a poem for a small children's. Then I will enter it. You see here our poem get ready over here. So like that you can create a certain ebooks or any kind of books or any kind of academic books you can also create it using the ChatGPT. And you can say this kind of ebooks to Amazons or any kind of ebooks also or any kind of for your own website also. So like that you can earn certain amount of income using this ChatGPT. So my second point is that Pictor AI. So Pictor AI is an artificial resolutionary video AI tool. So let's visit to our computer screen from this. So I will go to Google Chrome over here. Then I will type here Pictor AI. Then I will enter it. Then you see here http Pictor AI. So I will click on this website and you see our website get open. After that you see get started for a free or a free trial. Okay. So I will click on this get started for a free. Then I will sign up with my Google account. Then you see this our dashboard will get open over here. Then you see script to video option you see here. So I will click on these options and I will paste my script, and then you see here within the few minutes our video will get generated over here. Okay, like that you can create this kind of AI tool. You can create any kind of videos and you can upload this kind of video in Facebook, Instagram or any kind of YouTube, and like that you can take a certain amount of income in this Pictor.ai or in this website. So my third point is that Wix.ai. Wix is a created a website and web development platform using this AI tool. So you can see here this we go to our computer screen and then I will type here Google Chrome. Okay. Then I will type here Wix.ai. Then I will enter it. Then you see here Wix.com.ai builder. Then you see here, then I will click on this website and then this website get open. Then you see here is your product sections. You create the website on design and create the website template, and then you create the AI website builders. Then you see here create e-commerce store also. Website, then you click on this blog website. Then you see here pricing sections. There are a lot of pricing sections over here. Then you see the purchase, one of the purchase options. You see here you purchase one of the pricing and then you create the website. Why I am telling you like that? You have to create when you purchase their plans or their sites, then you will get a service of 24/7, and you cannot get a Wix branding option from your website. Then I will go back to here and I will click on get started, and then I will click on start over here. Then after you type your website name. Okay, I will type here skill courses. Then you see, then I will give the information about the skill courses like here and the website using this AI. So like that you can create your own website using this kind of AI tool, and you can also sell this website to other person also. and you can also generate a certain amount of income using these websites. Then next, my fourth point is that AI. This is a best tool for a business purpose and marketing terms, and it is a best for artificial intelligence tool. So it is designed by primary of marketing teams. Okay, it offers the comprehensively and for their features and improving both their speed and quality purposes. So I will click on the feature options. You see there are a lot of features open here. I will see the content creation and SEO integrations, integrated campaign and project management. You see here brand voice and customization tools, AI art and generations, and enterprise resolutions. You see here. Then you see the resources option over here. So also your popular AI resources are also there. The libraries, browse extensions, and 50 plus AI templates. Then I will go to pricing option over here. I click on pricing option. Then for creator, you see here $39 per month, and you see here for you pro or for any kind of business purpose, you see here $59 per month. You should contact with sales team also. Okay, when I click on this sales, contact sales, you should fill these forms and you click on demo also. And you can also click on get demo. So like that, you can create this kind of AI tool and you can earn money online also. Okay, so if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.